It looks super fancy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is day 4 of the 30-day challenge for trying something new every day in September. And me and Doodle are going to the Dallas Perot Museum of Nature and Science, or is it Science and Nature? One of those. So Doodle's gonna wear this cute little unicorn dress that we found at Walmart, and I am going to wear this white button-down dress that I found at the thrift store a long time ago, but it's really cute, really flowy, and it's hot outside. We still want to be cute and girly and not do too much, but still give it a little something. So that's what we're about to do today. We're about to get dressed, and then I'm gonna take y'all with us on our way. I'm not gonna record that process because we already running a little late, and Duty is kind of grouchy in the morning times. Don't tell her I said that. But we're about to get ready to go, and I will see y'all when we get there.
Yeah. 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 That is Merida, I believe. Her name is Merida. Yeah. She is one of the princesses. I think that's Mike Wazowski. Once we made it past security, we went down these little stairs that make music when you go down. Listen. Yeah, and the Children's Museum was down there. They had like little creatures and where you can look and find the creatures in the little windows or whatever. I personally do not like creepy crawly things, but Doodle was up close and personal, and she had a front row seat. They had a snake that was moving around, and they had this big tarantula that was just chilling like, okay, ew. Across the hall from the kids museum was the Pixar exhibit, and that was pretty cool. It basically just had a bunch of Pixar fun facts and all the characters in the Pixar movies, how they did the animations, and a lot of fun and interactive stuff for the kids to do. I liked it. I think I was more involved in this part than Doodle was. This museum had plenty of fun and interactive stuff to do. We even saw Doodle's daddy and them in there. And I thought that was cool for them to include everybody. You know, that was real nice. Now, y'all, this Homo sapien lady right here, she was a little too realistic for me. Like, if you could just see the texture on her skin, it was too much. By this time, we had pretty much seen the whole museum, so we stopped to take a little snack break and let her walk through the water and just play outside on the little frogs and stuff. We had a 3D movie to go to at 4:20, but I think we still had about 30 minutes until the movie started, so we just played around outside and she played some music and stuff until this time to see the movie. And the movie we were going to see was a short film, but Doodle waited right until the movie was about to start and said she had to pee, so we had to go.
All right, y'all, we made it back to the house. The museum was so fun, but that Dallas traffic, if y'all live in Dallas, then y'all know. My favorite part of the museum was the crystals or geodes. Those were so pretty. Doodle was over it at that point. She was not really looking at rocks no more. But Doodle, what was your favorite part?
Dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs. Her favorite part was the dinosaurs. But we had fun. Thank y'all for watching. We will see y'all in the next video.